Spray a lubricant on the backside of the star bit retaining bolts. Using a number 40 star bit socket and ratchet wrench, back out striker plate bolts 6 to 8 turns. Never use power or air tools or you could strip out the bolt heads. Respray lubricant from head side of bolts and retighten them. This will make sure the bolt removal is much easier. Remove striker plate and bolts completely. Now place left rear bracket over mounting holes. Reinstall striker plate over the bracket. Tighten bolts down firmly, making sure bracket is seated against door sill. Now to install right rear side bracket, remove weather stripping retaining clip with long nose pliers. Then use a number T27 star bit socket to remove 2 latch retaining bolts. Leave third bolt in place to maintain latch alignment. Slide bracket under weather stripping. Reinstall both retaining bolts, but be careful not to fully tighten them. Reinstall weather strip retaining clip through access hole. Close door slowly, making sure weather stripping doesn't grab in between brackets. Also, it is important to note, on older vans you may need to trim weather stripping where it contacts bracket for clearance. If clearances are acceptable, shut door firmly and align lock mounting holes. Open door gently and finish tightening the bolts. Close door firmly and install puck lock. For greater security, always use a slick lock spinner on your puck locks. Welcome to Slick Locks. This video will guide you through the simple installation of the forward side blade bracket. Spray lubricant on backside of star bit retaining bolts. With a star bit socket and ratchet wrench, back out striker plate bolts 6 to 8 turns. Never use power air tools or you could strip out the bolt heads. Remove striker plate and bolts completely. Place left side bracket firmly against door sill and reinstall striker plate. Now, tighten the bolts firmly. Remove the 2-star bit retaining bolts on the right door latch. For alignment purposes, leave the 3rd bolt in place. Slide bracket behind weather stripping. Reinstall star bolts, but do not tighten them all the way. Slowly close door and check weather stripping clearance between brackets. It is important to know that on older vans you may need to trim weather stripping where it contacts right side bracket. If clearances are good, shut door firmly and align lock mounting holes. Open door gently and tighten bolts. Finally, close door firmly and install puck lock. For added security, we always recommend that you use a slick lock spinner lock for the maximum security available for your vehicle.